After launching Vivo V40 SE 5G back in March this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in Czech Republic, with identical design, but it has some difference in terms of specifications. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V40 SE 4G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo V40 SE 4G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V40 SE 4G has been priced in Czech Republic for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,999 Czech korunas, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,999 Czech korunas. The smartphone will be available for purchase in crystal black and leather purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V40 SE 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.